Welcome to Best Choice. The best Bluetooth adapter is probably one of the most underrated gadgets in the tech world, seamlessly connecting your phone or other devices to your car stereo or home audio system. This small device breathes new life into older audio equipment, allowing you to stream music, podcasts, and audiobooks wirelessly. It's a simple yet effective solution for upgrading your listening experience without replacing your existing setup. Number 5. Anker Soundsync Bluetooth Receiver. This receiver utilizes the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology. It provides an ultra-stable connection for all your devices. Enjoy seamless streaming without interruptions. This device allows you to stream music from your Bluetooth devices. You can connect it to non-Bluetooth headphones or speakers. It's a simple way to upgrade your audio experience. Simply connect via AUX to receive Bluetooth signals. This allows you to stream audio to devices that don't have Bluetooth built in. It's perfect for older stereos or car audio systems. Enjoy up to 12 hours of playtime on a single charge. This long battery life ensures that you can enjoy your music all day long. It's perfect for long drives or listening sessions. Plug it into your car and answer calls while you drive. The built-in microphone allows for clear hands-free communication. Stay connected safely and easily. Connect two Bluetooth devices at once. You can listen to music, make phone calls, and more. It offers great flexibility for sharing audio or managing multiple devices. What we like. This adapter uses Bluetooth 5.0 for a super stable connection. It also boasts a 12-hour battery life, perfect for long drives or listening sessions. If you often have two devices you want to connect, this adapter lets you pair both at once, making it ideal for sharing music or taking calls seamlessly. What people say. Automatically comes on and connects to my phone with the car starting. Easy to set up with clear instructions. The sound quality matches that of my newer vehicle sound system. Number 4. Kinivo BTC 450 Bluetooth Car Kit. This car kit is designed for hands-free calling. It works with any Bluetooth smartphone, including iPhones, Androids, and Blackberries. It makes taking calls in your car safe and easy. Stream music wirelessly from any Bluetooth-enabled device. This adapter supports aptX for CD-quality audio. Enjoy your favorite tunes with exceptional sound quality. It requires a 3.5mm audio input in your car stereo. The built-in microphone and music controls are easy to use. Simply plug it in and start enjoying the features. It provides audio through your car stereo's 3.5mm input. Whether you're listening to music or answering calls, the sound comes through clearly. Experience seamless integration with your car's audio system. It comes with a 2-year warranty and lifetime US-based customer support. You can be confident in your purchase knowing that you're covered. We are here to help if you have any questions. What we like. This car kit is designed for hands-free calls, keeping you safe on the road. It supports aptX for CD-quality audio streaming. If you prioritize call quality and want a reliable product, this adapter's 2-year warranty and customer support make it a solid choice. What people say. The Bluetooth adapter paired quickly and easily with my phone. The sound quality is excellent, with no noticeable loss of audio fidelity. The adapter has a long battery life, lasting for several hours on a single charge. Number 3. OneMe Bluetooth 5.3 Car Home Music Receiver. This is the latest Bluetooth adapter for your car or home stereo. It ensures instant pairing and maintains a strong connection. With Bluetooth 5.3 technology, it's compatible with various Bluetooth devices. Designed with volume up and down buttons, it's easy to adjust the sound. You can conveniently control the volume of your music or calls with a simple touch. This adapter has a built-in microphone for hands-free calls. Answer, hang up, or redial calls with a single button. You can also activate your voice assistant for added convenience. Featuring an on/off switch, it automatically enters pairing mode when turned on. Just plug it in, pair it with your device, and start playing. It's that simple. Enjoy up to 16 hours of continuous use for music or calls. Its compact size makes it perfect for use in your car or to carry with you. It connects to two devices simultaneously. Incoming calls pause the music and resume automatically. Easily switch between devices while driving, enhancing safety and convenience. What we like. This adapter features the latest Bluetooth 5.3 for a strong and stable connection. It includes convenient volume control buttons, making it easy to adjust your audio. If you want a long-lasting battery and easy volume adjustments, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to connect to a phone and maintains a stable connection while using. This not only added Bluetooth functionality features to an older car, but also seemed to have somehow improved the sound quality as well. I use it for the Bluetooth function with the AUX adapter and sound is great. Number 2. JOYROOM Bluetooth 5.4 AUX car adapter. This is the latest upgrade, designed to enhance your in-car audio experience. It offers a seamless way to enjoy music and hands-free calls. Experience faster and more stable connections with the newest Bluetooth 5.4 technology. It minimizes sound quality loss, providing a superior audio experience with a range up to 100 feet. The adapter features dual microphones and CVC 8.0 technology for clearer calls. It effectively filters out road noise, ensuring both parties enjoy a smooth conversation. Simply plug it into your car's 3.5mm AUX jack and power it via USB. It automatically pairs with your phone when you start your car, and it supports pairing with two devices simultaneously. The independent button allows you to control music and calls easily. The LED lights make it easy to find the buttons at night, ensuring safer driving. It has passed multiple certifications and includes built-in safety features. This ensures the device is safe to use, giving you peace of mind. The package includes the Bluetooth receiver, adhesive patches, and a user manual. Contact customer support if you have any issues, they will resolve it within 24 hours. What we like. This adapter uses Bluetooth 5.4 for a faster and more stable connection. It has dual microphones for clearer calls, and it's plug-and-play for easy setup. If you're looking for the latest Bluetooth technology and improved call clarity, you should consider it. What people say. Music sounds lossless and crystal clear, with no static at all. Setup is super easy, and it auto-pairs instantly when I get in the car. Calls are clear, and the design is small, sleek, and stylish with an LED light. Number 1. HVMLAK Air 88 Bluetooth AUX Adapter. Tired of wires? This adapter transforms your classic car or home stereo into a wireless wonder. It easily connects to your phone or tablet, making it simple to enjoy your music. With Bluetooth 5.3, you get a stable connection. Plus, it has a 12-hour battery life, so you can listen to music or talk for hours without worrying about charging. Answer calls easily with the built-in mic. You can also enjoy your music wirelessly, turning your car into an entertainment center. No more CDs or tangled cables. This adapter lets you control the volume and change tracks. It also reconnects automatically to your device. Enjoy a wireless range of up to 66 feet. The adapter has a unique 180 degrees rotatable audio plug, perfect for tight spaces. If you have any issues, we're here to help you. What we like. This adapter uses Bluetooth 5.3 for a stable connection. It features a unique rotatable audio jack for use in tight spaces. If you need a flexible and easy-to-use adapter for your car or home stereo, it is a great choice. What people say. Works flawlessly. Connects to Bluetooth as soon as turned on, and sound quality is great for the head unit I use it on. The swivel AUX is ingenious, and comes in handy more than expected. This device works perfectly for allowing me to play music or driving directions from my phone through the truck stereo, which is why I bought it. The ability for the jack to swivel is great because it allows the attached control fob to have a nice low profile. Sound quality was great. I couldn't tell the difference between the Bluetooth, or the radio, or CDs, etc. for audio quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.